The story of British aircraft begins on the flat, marshy fields of Shellness on the Isle of Sheppey. A statue marks the spot where three brothers, Oswald, Horace and Eustace Short, opened the world's first aircraft factory in February 1909. They had been given permission to build Wright Flyers, designed by the American pioneers Orville and Wilbur Wright, and on October the 30th, John Moore Brabazon became the first Englishman to fly a circular mile in a British-built aircraft. At the time of his death in 1964, he had seen aviation progress from flimsy machines barely capable of lifting their pilots to aircraft that could fly around the world and even fly faster than the speed of sound.